Tonight, the golden era of front-engine sports roadsters comes alive at Pelican Park Autodrome. Famous marques like Ferrari, Aston Martin, Mercedes, Lister, and the upstart Chaparral wowed massive crowds on race courses across Europe and America.
The world has moved light years beyond these historic times, but at Pelican Park, we bring them back to life in 1/24th scale. Here are some finely crafted racing replicas. Most bodies are resilient resins. The chassis are intricate brass and wire engineering masterpieces, and power comes from strong ProSlot 16D motors.
With 10 racers Basil's way, qualifying was in order. There were no surprises. James scored a perfect 12, followed by Cully with 11, Paul with 8, and Gary Kay and Basil with 6. The top 8 proceeded in their quest for the main, but were guaranteed at least a spot in the consolation race.
Here are the consolation and hooligan grids, including the drivers' respective finishes. The main event was next, and the quest for top dog continued, with Basil on yellow, James on blue, Cully on white, and Paul on red. Now for the full race clip.
Main event. Mighty Martin. Get set. Go. Yellow, white, blue, red. White, yellow, blue, red.
It was nice to you, and
White, red, blue, yellow. Slide on down. Yellow just third place away from red. That gives a little skip, like heading to the front again. Down. White, blue, yellow on the lead lap, red down the lap in fourth. Halfway. Coming down, finding out. White, blue, yellow, and red down to left. Thirty-five down, 16 to go. Okay. Chopper silver. Later. 40 down, 10 to go. White over blue by half a second. Stop there again for the silver. That's cool in a couple of seconds. And it's closing. That was the last lap. Wow, I didn't see that coming.